Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie. Y'all, it's been a crazy week. It's Friday night tonight. I have had a couple days of vacation, trying to get stuff ready around the farm a little bit before winter, but then I have a friend who is at the local hospital who had surgery. Actually spent most of the day today with her. So I got home and had to get my plants, my potted plants put inside because it's going to be really cold tonight. I think we're having a hard freeze. Parts of Wisconsin got some snow today. We did not, but it's going to get really cold. We're going to have a hard freeze. I did that, and I realized my Boxycharm showed up. So let's go ahead and see what I got this month in my Boxy. So this is base subscription. I have been getting Boxy for several years. I used to get all of them. Now I just get the base. And occasionally order things in the drop shop or the mega shop or the Boxy shop or whatever they want to call it. So let's see what we got. So here it is. And it's got my variation on the back. 2210, which is October 2022. 011BA. So box number 11 or variation 11 of the base box. So here's what it looks like. Let's get into it. I got my sticker on from the hospital. Let's get that off. Okay, got my card. Kind of a neat looking card this year. It says, everyone will be under your spell. Boxycharm. Kind of reminds me actually of like a glossy box theme from like 2 years ago. So got all my little details of the items that are in my box. You guys, I have been doing my choice items each month. Honestly, I don't remember anymore what I chose. So I'm sure I'll remember when we see what's in here. Okay, so the reason this box is pretty big, this is Frank Body Perky Sculpting Body Hydrator. It says it's 220 milliliters or 7.44 fluid ounces. Never seen that. So the description says, feeling flat, Perky will perk you up. It is a sculpting moisturizer for smooth and hydrated skin. Packed with caffeine to firm your favorite asset. Acai to give you a boost, shea butter to hydrate, and longan, O-L-O-N-G-A-N, longan seed extract to sculpt your booty. Also comes in reusable coffee cup to rinse when you're done for a coffee on the run. MSRP $22. Okay, I don't think I've ever heard of this. It is in a reusable coffee cup. Not a big one, but that's kind of fun. So this is what it looks like. But first, coffee. That's kind of funny. So, you know, this is the time of year to be putting a lot of moisturizer on your body. It's super dry out, and now we're getting into winter. Okay, it's a screw top with a little pop top. I'll keep this. I'll use it. Kind of coconutty. It's definitely got fragrance to it. Oop. I think I just stuck it on my nose. So, this is how it looks. A lot of shea butter. Definitely has a fragrance to it. It kind of... Is that a chocolatey coffee scent to it? I don't know. I'm kind of getting a little coffee and a little coconut. It's kind of strange. It's not unpleasant in my opinion, but so that's cool. So the box says there are no pegs, no parabens, and tested on babes, not on bunnies. I think that's their way of attempting to claim it's cruelty-free. They got a little bunny ears here, although that is not the leaping cruelty-free bunny. So I'm not sure if they truly are cruelty-free or if they're just trying to pretend, make us think they are. So yeah, it's a highly caffeinated hydrating lotion. So caffeine's good for your skin, guys. I'll keep that. MSRP $22. I don't know if I'd buy it in the store for $22, but I'm absolutely happy to get it in the box. This is, I think, my choice item. Maybe. Celestine from Earth Harbor. I don't think I had a lot of great choices, so I think this is what I ended up with. And this is Earth Harbor Naturals Celestine Hydra Plumping Peptide Serum. And I think I was pretty good with it because I'm like, why not get a plumping serum? And I like Earth Harbor. All right, so it is the pretty, pretty little light blue one. Definitely, you guys, we've been seeing a lot of Earth Harbor over the last couple years in these boxes. Let's see what the description says. Again, this is what? 1 ounce, cruelty-free. So there's your leaping bunny. That's the real deal. That's the cruelty-free symbol you are allowed to use if you are truly cruelty-free. Okay, so MSRP $45. And you guys, if you are looking to purchase this in a store, they have these at Whole Foods. They have Earth Harbor at Whole Foods. My Whole Foods has them, so you can check there to see if you can find it at your local Whole Foods, or get it through the Boxy Drop Shop. Or Ipsy, I believe. Get that goddess glow by hydrating and replenishing skin with 8 juicy botanical hydrators, including 3 molecular weights of plant-based hyaluronic acid for effectively filling each layer of skin. $45. And last time I was at my Whole Foods and took a walk down the beauty aisle, they have it, and it is that expensive. So, all right, we got something from the Beauty Crop. Stuck on You Base Eye Primer. It looks like it's a nice nude shade. It says enriched with coconut and pomegranate seed oil. So $18 is the MSRP on that. It is shrink sealed. It's a little hard to tell, but the whole thing is shrink sealed. So that is nice. It says a soft and creamy eye primer makes your eyeshadow go so much further. It locks in color, prevents pigments from creasing, smudging, or fading. This universal eye primer is buildable and slightly tinted, so eyeshadow pigment really pops and is held in place throughout the day. This formula is enriched with pomegranate seed and grapeseed oil to keep lids smooth and moisturized. Okay, I always like a nice primer. I go round and round on the primers I use. Sometimes I just use concealer. I use my e.l.f. Cosmetics Hydrating Camo. Sometimes I use an actual primer. It just depends. And y'all, I apologize for whatever my face is doing. Literally spent like 7 hours in the hospital, half hour, 40 minutes there, 40 minutes back. I'm just a hot mess at this point. Hair's a disaster. What? My packing materials. Good job, Boxy. Okay, we've got Half Caked Airbrushed Complexion Concealer Brush Duo. Okay, it's a brush duo. Okay, so $25 it says. With your new Half-Caked Airbrush Complexion Duo, a flawless base at your fingertips. Swirl and stipple foundation with the 110 complexion brush. Letting this brush do all the work. Apply liquid cream and powder products with a tapered hand-tied 160 concealer brush. Both brushes work together to create a seamless, soft, and natural look. I think I'm choking. Let's see what these look like. Okay, that's cool. I like that. Is it open on either end? No, they're kind of sealed, which is fine. I do appreciate you guys. If you see the netting on this, you guys, don't throw those away. Those are really great to, when you wash your brushes, you put them on from handle first and slide them up. They will keep all the bristles really nicely the way they're supposed to. And then you can also put those on for travel if you take your brushes when you travel. So, if you ever need more, you can buy them on Amazon. I have them linked in my Amazon shop. Oh, here's the other one. This one doesn't have one, but, oh, there we go. See, guys, this is what it looks like. So you can purchase these on Amazon, big old box of like 50 of them or 100 of them, and put them on your brushes. That's a nice brush right there. I'm not unhappy. I have a brush collection. So you would just put this on this way, slide it up to help hold your brush. Keep it nice and safe, and all right. I'm not unhappy to get brushes. I mean, do I need brushes? No. Do I like brushes? Yeah, of course I do. So, I don't know, you guys. So, 25 bucks. Would I spend 25 on two? Probably not, because you can get deals online for brushes. If you're going to buy brushes with actual real hair bristles, you're going to spend a lot of money, and these are obviously not real hair, synthetic, but that's okay. All right, so we're at the last item. That's my box. Those are my 2 pieces of packing material. And what do we got here? Looks like a palette from Ciate London. Let's see what we got. There's where it's taped. I appreciate that it's in bubble wrap. I really do. It's not the greatest bubble wrap, but it is bubble wrapped. So that's making an effort. Looks pretty. This is the Spice palette. Was this one my choice? I don't remember. It was either the Earth Harbor or this one was my choice. You guys, I apologize. I just don't remember. My life's been crazy. And yeah, I'm clearly senile and I don't remember. Ooh, this is pretty. What do we got here? 9-piece shadow palette. There's like a cute little insert. I don't know that I ever remember seeing that. Ooh, I like the look of this. This is pretty. It's a 9 shade, and the shades are going to be on the back. It's a really nice texture to it. I like that a lot. Oh God, there it goes. Big old mirror on it. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, it's pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh, okay. It's got a really nice mirror, but they're pretty, you guys. It's all very pretty. Shade saver is going to come off. Oop, there it fell. So there is a shade saver. Oh, you guys, it's so pretty. Oh, love it. Those are pretty colors. I like that a lot. Ciate London usually does a really great job making really nice shadows. This is Leaping Bunny on it, so it's cruelty-free, PETA approved, vegan. Oh, so pretty. Do I want to keep it? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. You guys, I have so many shadows, but oh, it's so pretty. I have so many shadow palettes. We'll see. We'll see. If you guys, I've been doing a lot of giveaways lately. I've got a couple going on right now. Make sure you're watching the videos all the way through to the end because I have been doing some sneaky giveaways. I do have one open right now. I am trying to hit 2,400 subscribers, not 24,000. I would love that, but that ain't going to happen anytime soon. But I'm trying to hit that 2,400 mark. I do have a big giveaway going that'll end the end of the month, and then I have a couple other hidden giveaways going. So make sure you're checking my videos out, watching to the end, and getting entered. So this, what is the MSRP on this? This is, again, the Spice Palette. $39 for this 9-pan. It says a blend of highly pigmented metallics and mattes that work seamlessly with neutral mattes to add an epic spice to any makeup look. A $39 MSRP. So we had that. We had the Half Caked for $25. We had the Earth Harbor Celestine, $45. And you guys, I'm telling you, all you gotta do is look at Whole Foods. They sell it. They sell Earth Harbor. And then we've got this primer from the Beauty Crop, and it is $18. And I'm not going to open it yet because I don't need to use it. And then this is kind of a... This made the box heavy. I mean, it's okay. It's just moisturizer, but it's got caffeine in it, so that's cool. So it is Frank Body's Perky Sculpting Body Hydrator with caffeine, $22, and it is 220 milliliters or 7.44 fluid ounces. And they do tell you to keep the container, wash it out, because it's basically a coffee cup, like a little travel mug. It unscrews. This little thing right here, you can tell it will pop out so that you can use it as a drinkable coffee mug. Yeah, okay. Little travel, teeny weeny little travel mug, but doable. So let me know what you guys think of my box. It's base box number 011, number box variation 11. I'm not unhappy. You know, this box is pushing just about $30 a month. Not quite, but close. And I am happy that I'm getting, you know, some makeup. I don't like it. I left Ipsy because I was just getting nonstop skincare. You guys, I have a bin of skincare. It's probably expiring. I have so much skincare. Like Ipsy and Boxy were just for a long time, and even Glossy Box were just sending me so much skincare. I didn't know what to do with it. So I do need to go through, figure out if anything's expired, get rid of it. Maybe do some giveaways, some of the other stuff, use up some. But I'm happy when Boxy starts giving me makeup because, I don't know, I just enjoy it more. I go through it a little quicker. I don't mind gifting it and giving it away or using it or whatever. So hope you guys had a great one. Apologize. Like I said, it's been a very long day. I'm a little bit messy, but it was a good Friday. Hope you guys had a good Friday. And like I said, let me know what you guys think down below. Would like to know what variation you got or what items you got. It's a good box in my opinion. So all right. Thank you for your time, everybody. Have a great one. Please make sure you're still subscribed, or please, if you are new here, would love it if you would hit that subscribe button. Join my YouTube family. Like I said, I do have a couple giveaways going on. I am trying to grow my YouTube family. Yeah. Have a great one, guys. I'll see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.